Hi friends, and welcome back to our channel K2 and Family. Today I'm going to show you a nice and easy recipe which is none other than egg drop curry, which is sometimes known as poached egg curry as well. And to do this recipe, let's go and start it. So let's prepare the masala now, and to that I've got 1 cup of grated coconut, fresh coconut. This is approximately 200 grams, 6 Kashmiri red chillies, 3 garlic cloves, 1.5 tablespoon of dry coriander seeds, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 8 to 10 black peppercorns, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and a marble size of tamarind. I've already soaked this in the water, so you can use either directly or you can soak it and then you put it in. Now I'm going to add 200 ml of water. Now I'm going to grind this to a smooth paste. As the masala is getting ready in a vessel, let's take some oil. So here I've got medium onion which is finely chopped. I'm going to fry this for a couple of minutes. Let's add 1 finely chopped medium tomato. As you see now, the onions and tomatoes are completely softened here. Now it's the time where we're going to add the masala here. So this is our masala which has been completely grinded and been very smooth. Now I'm going to add it over here. In the very same mixer, I added some more water, and whatever was remaining inside, I'm adding it over here now. And now I have to get this to a boiling point, so I'm going to cover this with a lid. Now I'm going to add some salt. At this point of time, you have to check how much salt you require. If it's a little bit higher, it's not a problem because we'll be adding an egg. Anyways, when you do an egg fry, you obviously use salt on top, so definitely we'll need an extra salt over here. So I'm going to break the egg now. I'm going to add egg over here. Make sure you don't drop the egg. Just break it. And very gently at one spot, you're going to leave it over here. So I'm going to cook this for another 10 minutes on a medium flame, and we are going to cover this with a lid now. So friends, our egg drop curry or the poached egg curry, you name it, and it's ready now. If you liked our recipe, please show us some love by liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel. Until then, stay safe, God bless you all, and my final word to say, adios.